Mafe, also known as groundnut stew, is a delicious dish originating from West Africa. This hearty stew is made with a combination of tender meat, vegetables, and the unique richness of peanut butter. It's a perfect blend of flavors that makes for a satisfying meal. 500 g meat, beef, lamb, chicken, 1 onion, 1 carrot, 15-20 g ginger, 1 bell pepper, 1/2 hot pepper, 2 potatoes or 1 sweet potato, 3 to 5 garlic cloves, 400 g tomatoes in juice, 200-250 g peanut butter, 2 to 3 tablespoons olive oil, half a bunch of cilantro or parsley, salt, bitter pepper, paprika, and sugar to taste. Begin by washing and preparing all your vegetables. Dice the onion, carrot, bell pepper, and potatoes. Finely chop the ginger and garlic. In a large pot, heat the olive oil over medium heat. Add the chopped onion and sauté until it's soft and translucent. Next, add the ginger and garlic to the pot and continue to sauté for another minute or until the fragrant aroma fills your kitchen. Add the meat of your choice to the pot. Cut it into bite-sized cubes if not already done. Let it brown on all sides to lock in the flavors. Once the meat is browned, add the chopped carrot, bell pepper, and hot pepper. Stir well to combine all the ingredients. Pour in the tomatoes, including their juice. Stir the mixture until everything is well combined. At this stage, you have the option to add a bit of water if you prefer a thinner consistency. Bring the stew to a gentle boil, reduce the heat, and let it simmer covered for about 30 minutes so the flavors meld together. After 30 minutes, add the diced potatoes or sweet potato to the pot. Cover and let it cook for another 15 to 20 minutes, or until the potatoes are tender. Stir in the peanut butter, mixing it thoroughly until it is well incorporated into the stew. Season your stew with salt, bitter pepper, paprika, and sugar according to your taste preferences. Stir well and cook for an additional 5 to 10 minutes. Finally, chop the cilantro or parsley and sprinkle it on top of the stew before serving. This delightful Mafe stew is now ready to be savored. Serve it hot with rice or bread for a comforting and fulfilling meal. Enjoy the rich, nutty, and spicy notes that make this stew a favorite across West Africa.
Bon appétit!